In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI as a daily productivity assistant. Easy setup 2026. First, open your browser and head to grok.com. This is where everything happens. If you think you'll be using it often, consider bookmarking the page so it's just one click away next time. Make sure you're on a stable connection so responses load quickly. You can use Grok without signing in, but logging in helps you save your conversations and settings for later. It's quick. Just use your preferred sign-in method and you're set. If you're just testing things out, feel free to skip this step for now. You can always log in later to keep your progress synced across devices. On the homepage, you'll land in the main chat interface. Think of this as your workspace. A message box at the bottom where you type, and a conversation panel where Grok's replies appear. This simple layout keeps the focus on your goals and helps you move fast. Before you start typing, look for the response mode options in the chat bar. You can choose Auto, Fast, or Expert. Auto is a balanced, general-purpose mode that works well for most tasks. Fast is great when you want quick, concise answers and minimal fluff. Expert is best when you need depth, structured reasoning, and step-by-step clarity. Pick what suits your task today, and remember you can switch modes anytime as your needs change. Now, in the chat bar, type a clear request like, "Create me a daily productivity plan." To get a better result, include a few details such as your working hours, top priorities, or any hard deadlines. The clearer your prompt, the more tailored your plan will be. Grok will generate a detailed daily productivity outline for you. Typically, you'll see time blocks, suggested priorities, short breaks, and focus windows. Scan the plan for realism. Check that tasks have enough time, breaks are reasonable, and important items sit earlier in your day when your energy is highest. If something doesn't fit, don't start over. Just ask Grok to adjust it. You can also summarize or expand the plan using quick follow-up prompts. Try. Summarize this as a checklist if you want a compact view. Or say, add more detail to the morning routine to get a richer breakdown. You might ask, turn this into an hour-by-hour schedule. Or, keep meetings under 30 minutes and highlight my top 3 tasks. Keep refining until it matches your style. Short prompts keep it high level. Longer prompts give you more structure and nuance. That's it. With these steps, Grok becomes a simple, flexible daily assistant you can rely on. Use it each morning, tweak the mode as needed, and let it handle the structure so you can focus on doing the work.